In this video, you will learn how to add a chatbot in Hostinger to use a chatbot platform. Pick a chatbot provider such as chatbot.com, LiveChat or Crisp that suits your website needs. Create an account and set up your chatbot. Sign up for your chosen platform, customize your chatbot and set up automated responses or live chat settings. Get the installation code snippet. After the full setup, the platform will provide you with a JavaScript code snippet to embed on your website. Log into your Hostinger or Open File Manager or website builder. Access your Hostinger control panel, then open the editor or file manager where your files will be stored. Paste the code before closing. Insert the chatbot code into your website HTML files before closing the tag. Save and publish your website. Save the changes and publish your website to activate your chatbot. Now you know how to add a chatbot in Hostinger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.